Hello everybody, this is Master X from YIJING House, and today I'm back with the series Bazi for career success. I will be sharing on the specific day master for fire, namely Ping and Ting. So please pay attention if you have fire as your day master or even for your family members or friends. So firstly, let's talk about a strong fire day master. So if you are a strong fire day master, you will be suited to work in the following industries: property, finance, automotive, hardware, jewelry, legal, escrow services, mechanical, and also sports. Secondly, let's talk about the roles you are more suited in. For a strong fire day master, you will be suitable to be in sales, specifically more in farming, account management, operational roles, creative roles, management roles, financial, and lastly, HR. And if you are thinking to start a business or be an entrepreneur, you can do it. Next, let's move on to explore a weak fire day master. A weak fire day master will be suited to work in the following industries: energy, oil and gas, entertainment. Any of you want to be K-pop idol? Pharmaceutical, cosmetics, beauty, fashion, okay, cultural, F&B, telecommunications, and lastly, startups. As for the roles you are more suited to take on: planning, strategizing, fundraising, procurement, vendor management. By the way, you are more suited to be an employee rather than an entrepreneur or a boss. Sorry to disappoint you. So, I hope you have a clearer picture of the industries and roles that are more suitable for you. By the way, I want to highlight that being in the right role and industry makes your path easier. It doesn't mean you cannot excel in other roles or other industries. As working adults, we are always able to pick up new skills even in the wrong industries and roles. So don't be too disheartened if you realize that you are not in the right industry and right role. Remember about the cosmic trinity. You still have the man part where you are in control of your own decisions. Also wanted to put off a disclaimer here that these are more generic readings and there may be exceptions depending on the actual parts itself. So this is the end of today's lesson. Next week I will be covering the day master for Earth 2. So stay tuned. I hope you liked the video today and you have learned something. Please remember to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and goodbye. Know your fate. Master your destiny.